you've ever sent the wrong contract or need to pull back an agreement, this video is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to void a document in DocuSign so you can stay in full control of your signing process. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First things first, remember that you can only void a document if it hasn't been fully signed yet. For example, if multiple people need to sign but not everyone has finished, you can still void it. But once all signatures are completed, that document becomes final and can't be voided. Now let's jump in. Log into your DocuSign account and head to the home page. From there, click on Agreements. This section shows all your documents, both pending and completed. Focus on the ones still waiting for signatures. Under each agreement, click on the three dots to open more options. Here you'll see the option to void. Select it and DocuSign will ask for reason. Add a quick note. This reason will be shared with all parties so everyone is updated. Once you confirm, the document is officially void. Everyone involved will get notified and the document is marked as inactive. This makes sure no one wastes time signing something that's no longer valid. And that's it. You've successfully voided a document in DocuSign. Super simple, right? If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more DocuSign tips.